Hey y'all, so I'm back with another hair review. This unit is from Ashimary. Everything about her will be in my description box. As y'all can see, she gave me a lot of cute goodies, eyelashes, wig caps, bobby pins, and baby, even a bathrobe. That is the inside of the unit, and this is what she is giving straight out the pack. Of course, the lace is light, but I will be applying my complexion product to that lace in the video. As y'all can see, I got a new mannequin head. I'm trying to figure out what name I want to call her. Drop some name suggestions, y'all. What was she giving? What is her face giving? So this unit is a 360 unit. Once again, once I figured out how to use them little drawstrings in the back, babe, love it. So for my wig wearers that love a good updo, the construction of this unit will definitely help you achieve that look. I did not pluck this unit at all. My Kiss adhesive spray, because of course the style I'm going for, I have to kind of lift the hair up, so I don't want her to be moving and budging if I was going to put her as a glueless unit. I love how versatile these units are, especially if you do want to put her up in a bun. Right now, Ashimary is having a Black Friday sale. I will have everything about that sale in my description box below if you guys want to check that out. So the pros and cons with this unit: love how easy it was to put on, love the construction of this unit. You have a ton of security within this unit. You have the combs, you have the adjustable straps, you do have the elastic band that has the adjustable straps, and you do have that drawstring in the back as well. Your wig ain't going nowhere, sis. If you want to keep those curls intact, make sure you are using some type of holding spray. Again, I just want to give you guys inspo. I didn't want to go full out with this style because, of course, I will be putting these units up on my website, so stay tuned for that. I definitely want to make sure I kind of get that out the way before Christmas, so y'all can have y'all hair and sport it for the holidays at least. Didn't have any cons. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle. Everything about this Ashimary hair will be in my description box below. That concludes today's video. I would like to thank Ashimary for sending me this unit to review for you guys. I'd like to thank you guys for always supporting my channel and watching my reviews. Your love and support will never go unnoticed. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.